Hello and welcome. I've got for you this vehicle here, Boxlife Pro 600 solution. It says it's new. So, what can be new about a Fiat Ducato campervan, I ask? Well, let's have a look at the price to start off with. It's costing 80,623, so it's a 6-metre van, or 599 if you like. It has got, I see one or two things it's got new. It's got a chair put in here. Can't see the point of that. Obviously, this is just an option, but it will stop me getting into the bathroom, so that's one of the advantages of it. It's got a slidey bit there so that the toilet moves forward. Well, that's certainly new. Got a nice duckboard down there. Here, this is the sink. That isn't actually the sink. It's got a cover on. You have to pull that back and you get access to the sink. And the washroom itself is absolutely new. I've never seen this one before in person. And you've got these storage areas with an elastic to stop your shampoos and creams and things from falling out. Over here, we will find that we have got a fridge. Down there is a wardrobe. We've got here in the kitchen block drawers which contain with soft closing and take 15 kilos each one. And there's your sink and 2 burners. Above me there is a bed which I can't pull down because somebody's put a chair here, and I'm going to have to jump over the chair. But I can actually have a sit down here and have a look at some of the other features of it. High roof, note, and well, look, this is thinking outside the box. This is what they've called an easy access table. So they've got rid of the leg, and so you can move your they've got rid of the table leg, so you can move your legs, which you haven't got rid of, in and out like that. So that is something you might want to consider if it's important for you. It is worth pointing out that I do have my doubts of how much weight can be put on it, and unfortunately lots of us do this. When we want to get up, we put weight on us up like that, and let's hope that 2 people who are a bit overweight don't do that at the same time and thus break the table. Ledge up there, which I don't like ledges, but they've put an elastic thing there, keep-away system there. That is a great idea. So that gets my vote of confidence. I've been saying this now for years, and maybe must just think somebody in this company listened to what I had to say, but they might have done. Here we have a drawer, and okay, I'll demonstrate the soft close. Sorry, I'll demonstrate again the soft close. Right, I'll do that some other time then. There, a kitchen with these ledges. I mean, that's completely pointless. The thing is, they never use the designers never go out in the van anyway, so they don't know what to do. I've got to say though that the internal bit is very interesting. Right, so on the back here, nothing unusual about this. Got a bed. We've got under here there's storage cabinets, and you can see the way the toilet slides in and out. And in here there's the small gas. That's for cooking. It's diesel heating. I think with the diesel heater as well, it'll go off when the tank gets to 1/4 full. So I'd make an observation about the toilet. Now, I don't know in this case. I've got absolutely no evidence for it whatsoever. But just to make the point, in the Malibu, which has from Carthago, I've not come across anyone who've said that the toilet that slides in and out doesn't work. The toilets, however, in the Pilot more often don't work than do work, and that is something I think you'd want to bear in mind. I appreciate that having a toilet you can push in and out gives you more space in the washroom. That's great, particularly if you're a bit larger, but if you really need to go to the toilet and it's pushed inside, well, it might not be the moment to find out how well or not it works. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.